Hey, this is Shane from Toyota Cruisers and Trucks, and today we're going to do an install of the 12-volt solutions remote start kit for the GX460. So follow along, should take about 30 minutes, and we'll get this thing installed. So we'll just do a quick unboxing here. Camera's a little weird, just so we can see what's inside the box. And the first thing you can see is some really great info right inside the box. We've got a little instruction card with a stop sign on it. And then a sticker, a pen, love swag, a stylus, very cool. This looks like a nice little mat to lay everything on while we're working on it. And then of course, here's our kit. So the first thing that I've already done is when you take this card out, it basically tells you the exact instructions, 6 easy steps. So I'll follow along these steps. Their instructions are really, really good. They have great videos for every vehicle. So those are the instructions that I'm going to use, and I'll take a few photos along the way, and we'll see how this install goes. Okay, here's everything unpacked. This is everything that I need to install this kit. It's completely plug and play. Need a couple of zip ties. I'm going to snip off the wire here in a second, and the module and the harness. So it should be pretty easy to get this installed. I do want to point out that there's this one that's marked GS only, and they said we can just zip tie that, so I'll zip tie that up. And this one says RAV4 hybrid only, and they said we can snip that one off. So I'm going to snip that one off. I'll zip tie this one up. This end goes to the truck. This end goes to the module, and this end goes to the truck. So, and again, I'm not going to do the full install video because the 12-volt solutions guys put together a really great set of videos. So I'll take a couple of pictures along the way, and we'll get this going. So at this point, all we have to do is hit the ignition twice to turn it on, and that should turn green and we'll be programmed. So let's try it. Once, twice. And that's it. The module's programmed. We're going to give it a try. All right, well, that install was really simple. Took about 20 minutes. Not even the 30 minutes they talked about, so let's see if it works. So we'll hit 1, 2, 3. Signal, lights on. GX remote start is installed. Now you'll notice on these, as soon as you open the door, it'll kill the engine so you can start it and get out of town. So there you go. And remote start's installed. I'm going to get this dash put back together, and we are good to go with this project.